Hello students, in today's class we will learn Tanveen. Tanveen is double Fatha, double Kasra and double Dummah. Double Fatha. Double Fatha is two Fathas together at one letter. So when we are putting one more Fatha, it is equal to N. So double Fatha is equal to AN. Ba with double fatha, ta with double fatha, jim with double fatha, sin with double fatha, and ra with double fatha. Ba is B, fatha is A, one more fatha is N. Bun. Ta is T, fatha is A, one more fatha is N. Tan. Jim is J, fatha is A, one more fatha is N. Jan. Sin is S, fatha is A, one more fatha is N. Sun. Ra is R, fatha is A, one more fatha is N. Run. Double Kasra. Double Kasra also two Kasras together under the one letter. So one Kasra is equal to E and the second one is equal to N. So double Kasra is equal to EN. Ba with double Kasra, Ta with double Kasra, Jim with double Kasra, Sin with double Kasra and Ra with double Kasra. Ba is B, Kasra is E, one more Kasra is N. Bin. Ta is T, Kasra is E, one more Kasra is N. Tin. Jim is J, Kasra is E, one more Kasra is N. Jin. Sin is S, Kasra is E, one more Kasra is N. Sin. Ra is R, Kasra is E, one more Kasra is N. Rin. Double Dhamma. Double Dhamma also two Dhammas together over the one letter. So first Dhamma is equal to U and one more, yani second Dhamma is equal to N. So Dhamma is equal to UN. Ba with double Dhamma, Ta with double Dhamma, Jim with double Dhamma, Sin with double Dhamma, Ra with double Dhamma. Ba is starting with B, Dhamma is U, one more Dhamma is N. Bun. Ta is T, Dhamma is U, one more Dhamma is N. Tun. Jim is J, Dhamma is U, one more Dhamma is N. Jun. Sin is S, Dhamma is U, one more Dhamma is N. Sun. Ra is R, Dhamma is U, one more Dhamma is N. Run. All sounds of Tanveen, yani double Fatha, double Kasra and double Dhamma. An in un, bun bin bun, tan tin tun, san sin sun, jan jin jun, han hin hun, khan hin hun, dan din dun, zan zin zun, ran rin run, zan zin zun, san sin sun, shan shin shun, son sin sun. Alif and Ha does not have any suitable pronunciation in English, so they have a little bit different sound. Like Alif have the sound A, E, U, and Ha have a sound Ha, He, Hu. Don, din, dun, ton, tin, tun, zon, zin, zun, an, in, un. Ain also does not have a suitable pronunciation in English, so we have to make a sound from the middle part of throat. So a, ri, ru. A, ri, ru. Ghan, ghin, gun. Fun, fin, fun. Con, kin, kun. Kan, kin, kun. Lan, lin, lun. Man, min, mun. Nan, nin, nun. Han, hin, hun. Wan, win, wun. Yan, yin, yun. Here these are some examples of Tanveen. Seen with Fatha is SA. Lam with Fatha is LA. Meme with double Fatha is MAN. Salaman. Ra with Fatha is RA. Seen with Fatha is SA. Meme with double Fatha is MAN. Rasaman. Seen with Fatha is SA. Fa with Fatha is FA. Ra with double Fatha is RAN. Safaran. Dod with Fatha is DA. Ra with Fatha is RA. Ba with double Fatha is BAN. Doraban. Seen with Kasra is SE. Lam with Kasra is LE. Meme with double Kasra is MEN. Silimin. Seen with Kasra is SE. Ra with Kasra is RE. Fa with double Kasra is FEN. Serifin. Dod with Kasra is DE. Ra with Kasra is RE. Ba with double Kasra is BEN. Duribin. Fa with Kasra is FE. Lam with Kasra is LE. Meme with double Kasra is MEN. Filimin. Sheen with Dhamma is SHU. Kha with Dhamma is KHU. Dal with double Dhamma is DUN. Shuhudun. Fa with Dhamma is FU. Lam with Dhamma is LU. Meme with double Dhamma is MUN. Fulumun. Meme with Dhamma is MU. Ra with Dhamma is RU. Dal with double Dhamma is DUN. Murudun. Jim with Dhamma is JU. Ra with Dhamma is RU. Fa with double Dhamma is FUN. Jurufun. Now here these are some mixed examples. Ba with Fatha is BA. Saad with Kasra is SE. Lam with double Dhamma is Lun. Basilun. Ra with fatha is Ra. Sheen with kasra is She. Dal with double dhamma is Dun. Rashidun. Dod with fatha is Da. Ra with kasra is Re. Ba with double dhamma is Bun. Doribun. Sin with fatha is Sa. Fa with kasra is Fe. Ra with double dhamma is Run. Safirun. Sin with fatha is Sa. Lam with kasra is Le. Mim with double dhamma is Mun. Salimun. Sheen with dhamma is Shu. Ra with kasra is Re. Ba with double fatha is Ban. Shuriban. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.